Number 10. Honda Goldwing. The Honda Goldwing has long been celebrated as the ultimate touring motorcycle, and it's easy to see why. Consumer Reports rates it highly for overall value, comfort, and reliability. Powered by a robust 1,833 cubic centimeter flat-six engine, the Goldwing delivers smooth, consistent performance ideal for long-distance journeys. Riders especially praise the optional automatic dual-clutch transmission, which makes cross-country travel effortless. Designed with touring in mind, the Goldwing offers premium features like heated grips, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and spacious seats with integrated luggage compartments for maximum comfort and convenience. Advanced safety technologies, including ABS, traction control, and a sophisticated navigation system, enhance the ride, while the electrically adjustable suspension ensures adaptability to various terrains. The quiet, vibration-free engine further elevates comfort on extended trips. Starting at $25,600, the Goldwing's price reflects its exceptional capabilities and renowned reliability. For riders seeking unmatched comfort, convenience, and durability in a touring motorcycle, the Honda Goldwing is an investment worth making. Number 9. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 has earned its success in the naked bike category thanks to its agility, reliability, and affordability. Powered by a responsive 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, it delivers smooth performance and versatility, making it ideal for city commutes, weekend getaways, and even track days. Consumer Reports highlights the MT-07's impressive 58 miles per gallon fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs, making it a favorite among both new and experienced riders. Its lightweight frame and intuitive handling inspire confidence, whether navigating urban streets or carving through twisty back roads. Riders also appreciate its minimalist design paired with modern features, such as an LCD instrument display and a comfortable seating position. Starting at $8,000, the MT-07 offers an unbeatable combination of performance, practicality, and rider-friendly design. For those seeking simplicity and fun without overspending, it remains a top contender in the naked bike market. Number 8. Kawasaki Versys 650. The Kawasaki Versys 650 is an excellent option for adventure riders seeking capability on a budget. Powered by a 649 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, it delivers comfort and versatility for long highway rides, winding mountain roads, and city commutes. Its upright seating position and adaptable design make it a true all-rounder. Consumer Reports praises the Versys 650 for its reliability, comfort, and practicality. With long suspension travel and an aerodynamic windscreen, it handles light off-road trails and extended touring with ease. Riders also appreciate its adjustable handlebars, optional heated grips, and spacious luggage options, all of which enhance its touring credentials. Boasting an impressive fuel economy of 50 miles per gallon, the Versys 650 ensures longer journeys with fewer stops. Starting at $8,899, it's an outstanding value for both new and experienced riders, offering an affordable entry into adventure touring or a dependable touring option. Its durable construction and user-friendly nature cement its status as a strong contender in the adventure touring market. Number 7. Indian Scout. The Indian Scout masterfully blends classic cruiser aesthetics with modern technology, delivering a smooth and powerful riding experience. Its robust 1,133 cubic centimeter V-twin engine is lauded by Consumer Reports for its impressive torque and responsiveness. The low-slung design provides a sporty yet comfortable riding position, making it equally adept at city streets and highway cruising. Riders are drawn to the Scout's premium finishes, including leather seat options and polished chrome accents, which enhance its timeless appeal. Starting at $30,300, it offers optional ABS and a wide array of customizable accessories, allowing owners to tailor the bike to their preferences. With its approachable size and smooth power delivery, the Scout suits both new riders and seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Whether you're seeking a dependable companion for scenic weekend rides or a stylish cruiser with modern reliability, the Indian Scout strikes the perfect balance between nostalgia and contemporary performance. Number 6. Suzuki V-Strom 650. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 is a standout adventure bike, known for its reliability and versatility. Powered by a 645 cubic centimeter V-twin engine, it delivers smooth, manageable performance, complemented by comfortable ergonomics, ideal for long-distance journeys. Riders appreciate its aerodynamic design, excellent wind protection, and optional luggage accessories, which enhance its touring capabilities. Features like an adjustable windscreen and advanced traction control further solidify its reputation as a dependable adventure companion. Consumer Reports highlights its durability, affordability, and impressive 54 miles per gallon fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious riders. Starting at $9,104, the V-Strom 650 strikes the perfect balance between performance, value, and dependability, whether commuting in the city or exploring off-road trails. Number 5. Honda CRF 300L. The Honda CRF 300L is a dual sport wonder that performs exceptionally well on dirt trails and roads. Its 286 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine and lightweight chassis provide reliable performance and agile handling. Its exceptional fuel efficiency of 71 miles per gallon, low ownership costs, and exceptional dependability are all praised by Consumer Reports. For riders looking for a flexible bike that thrives on off-road adventures and back roads while being smooth and stable on pavement, the CRF 300L, which retails for $5,400, is a reasonably priced yet capable option. Its accessible seat height guarantees that riders of all sizes feel secure in the saddle, and its long travel suspension and high ground clearance make it a favorite among off-road aficionados. The CRF 300L provides a dependable and affordable entry point into the dual sport arena for anyone wishing to experience adventure riding without going over budget. Before we continue, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Number 4. Harley-Davidson Road King. For many years, motorcyclists have admired the Harley-Davidson Road King, a classic touring cruiser. For long-distance travel, the Milwaukee 107 engine provides dependable, smooth performance. Its classic style, smooth ride, and sturdy construction are highly praised by riders. Traditionalists who value dependability and simplicity may find the Road King's simple design, which has fewer technology, appealing. It is ideal for long excursions because of its useful features, which include a retractable windscreen, roomy saddlebags, and a pleasant, relaxed seating posture. The Road King, which starts at $24,999, combines contemporary performance with the allure of vintage Harley-Davidson to provide a high-end touring experience. Its reputation for longevity and little upkeep guarantees that it will continue to be a cruiser designed to withstand many years of off-road travel. Number 3. KTM 390. In the adventure bike market, the KTM 390 Adventure is a lightweight powerhouse. Its cutting-edge technologies, such as ride-by-wire throttle, traction control, and an adjustable windscreen, are highlighted by Consumer Reports. Its 373 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine provides remarkable power for off-road exploring as well as highway cruising. The 390 Adventure's ergonomic seat and handlebars provide comfort for all-day trips, and its fuel efficiency of 70 miles per gallon delivers minimal operating expenses. At $7,500, the 390 Adventure is a great starting place for riders who want to explore the adventure scene without going over budget. For those looking for adaptability, excitement, and the chance to broaden their horizons, the KTM 390 Adventure is a great option because of its sturdy construction, remarkable capabilities, and reasonable price. Number 2. Yamaha Tenere 700. Because of its durability and adaptability, the Yamaha Tenere 700 has swiftly established itself as a favorite among adventure riders. Its sturdy construction is made to survive difficult terrains, and its 689 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine provides the ideal blend of power and fuel economy. Its off-road prowess, high ground clearance, and long travel suspension are praised by riders. It receives great marks from Consumer Reports for overall performance, value, and dependability. The Tenere 700, which starts at $10,999, has all the features adventurers want, including cross-country highways and mountain routes. Its straightforward design puts performance and durability first, making it an essential tool for riders looking for exploration and adventure in any setting. Number 1. Honda African Twin. An iconic adventure bike that always raises the bar in its class is the Honda Africa Twin. With its strong 1,084 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, cutting-edge electronics, and exceptional off-road skills, it's designed for riders who want to conquer both smooth highways and rugged terrain. According to Consumer Reports, its Apple CarPlay, cruise control, and adjustable suspension are its best features. Riders value its sturdy design and dependability, which guarantee that it can handle even the most difficult terrain. At $14,499, the Africa Twin is still a popular option for adventurers who want performance, durability, and adaptability. It is the ultimate ride for today's adventurers, since it skillfully combines innovation and heritage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tips. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the list, and make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. See you on the next ride.